Today I'm going to show you an easy method where you all can use to make chord progressions simple and easy without knowing music theory. And by using that method, practicing it, eventually you're going to learn the music theory very easy, and trust me. Guys, now in FL Studio, let's get to it. Nice. Oh, now I have my sampler open and I have FL keys. I'm going to use FL keys for that tutorial, keeping it simple, you know. And in my sampler, I have this scale of the E minor laid out, right? And if you're on my channel, or if you're used to my channel, you don't know how to get that already, just go to the top left, piano roll options, and stamp. All right, now we're in the minor natural, this one right here. So I have the E minor scale laid out, and we're gonna build off some chords off of the E minor scale. And E minor scale has, not the E minor, but every scale has 7 chords in it, and we're gonna check it out. All right, so we're gonna go to the FL keys right now, and let's open it up, and we're gonna build some chords. All right, if you have FL Studio, open your FL Studio now, and let's start doing it. Yeah, man, guys. Oh, let's head back to my FL keys. All right, now we're gonna start on E, as you know, that's the root note right here. So we have E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, and back to E again, right? So that E just a next octave. So let's start building some chords out of that scale. Just stay on the highlighted notes and then you'll be fine. All right, guys, first chord. Okay, that's the next chord. And guys, the first chord is a minor chord. The second one, I think it's a minor as well. Yeah, it's a minor, F sharp. Kind of sounding strange to me though, but let's go up with it. Let's go to D. And yeah, let's see how it sounds. Not sounding bad. Next one. You know what? I'm just gonna build the chords and just listen. Okay. I know that one is back to the E minor chord. So let's listen to it. Guys, if you want, you can just go to the top and there's this playback button. You can click this playback and just go to each chord and you could hear it. Yes. So guys, that is it. That is 7 chords. That's in the scale of E minor. What we're gonna do, we're gonna build a chord progression off of those chords that we have there. So let's start. Let's do the my favorite that I love doing, the 176. Guys, you know I love that one. So what I'm gonna do is open the next FL Studio.
Wait, what?
I mean, clone next FL keys. I see the next FL Studio. Guys, sorry. So what we're gonna do? So the first E minor, the 7th, you have the D major and C major. So let's open this. This is 7th, and this is the 6th. Yeah, man. Turn off. 1 minute, guys. Let me turn off this. Yes. Yeah. You can come back with that same chord. Let me show you something, guys. You can take that same chord, bring it so. Or you can take the last chord and just stretch it. It's according to the beat that you're making, the feel that you want. So you can stretch it and you get that sound to it. I should have looped it. Well, guys, you all get the idea already. So, okay. We're gonna build a next set of chords of. Let me see what we're gonna use this time. The first. Let me see the fourth and the third. I don't really like the song, but let's try. Let me see. E. All right. We're gonna use the first, the sixth, and the fifth. That's what we're gonna use. E, C, and B. All right, guys. E. There we are. C. Let me stretch this one too as well. If you all want, you can bring back the second chord, and then you'll get that kind of a sound. Guys, the next thing you can do to keep the tone, to keep all the chords at the same tone. You see the first chord, the E minor, take the B and drop it down. And listen to it now. Yeah. Come on, guys. So you see how easy it is? Very simple, possible different chords out of the E minor scale. And we're gonna try our next one. Let's see what we can find. Let's try the 1-4-5. It sounds nice. Let's try the 1-4-5. What was the 4 again? E? And the 5 was so. And let's listen. Yes. So guys, it's very easy as you can see. Just follow those steps and in no time, you're gonna learn that. Very easy. I will come up with that chord now. Or bring something else. Let's try to see if we can bring. Let me see. That's a 1-4-5, right? I wonder if I could add something like. Let me see. I don't know what it's gonna sound like, but let's try to see. Yes. Yo, the last chord just give it a whole different sound. I like it. What we did? So we did the 1-4-5-3 or the 1-4-6. So 1-4-6-3. Guys, you must try that pattern. The 1-4-6-3 on the E minor. Yeah, song's very nice. Alright guys, there's one more thing I need to show you all before I leave. Guys, the E minor scale is laid out, right? Now the best part about that, you could grab everything like that, and no matter where you drop it, it's still gonna be in the scale of the key. So right now I'm at the D sharp, right? Yeah. Yeah, man, guys. So no matter where you bring it, it's still in the minor scale. So right now we're in the D. Mm. Yeah, man, no matter where you put it on the piano roll, it's gonna sound nice because the scale is laid out and it's in scale. It's in the right scale. Yeah, man, guys. So thanks for watching the video. That was it. Quick video. I just want to show you all that technique, and that's how I started. When I started making beats, I learned that, and then from after that, everything started coming easy to me. And yeah, man. So guys, please just follow what I just did, and trust me, you're gonna get it, and it's gonna be very easy for you very soon. Trust me, you're gonna come back and thank me. So big up yourself, like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with my next video very, very soon. Joe Beats Lab. I'm out.